Parliamentary elections were held in Slovenia on 24 April 2022 to elect all members of the National Assembly. The ruling Slovenian Democratic Party, which is led by Prime Minister Janez Janša, conceded and was defeated by Robert Golob and his Freedom Movement. New Slovenia placed third and was followed by the Social Democrats and the Left, which suffered losses. The list of Marjan Sarek and the party of Alenka Bratušek fell below the 4% threshold and won no seats. The 90 members of the National Assembly are elected by two methods. 88 are elected by open list proportional representation in 8 11-seat constituencies, and seats are allocated to the parties at the constituency level using the Drup quota. The elected deputies are identified by ranking all of a party's candidates in a constituency by the percentage of votes they received in their district. The seats that remain unallocated are allocated to the parties at the national level using the DONT method with an electoral threshold of 4%. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.